Hello guys, my name is Joshua. I love innovation, and that's why we founded SimWave with my friends. So guys, we have quite good components that we brought for you. Those who want to do drones, we brought for you this Esp32 drone. It's a very nice drone that you can start developing and integrating in your projects. It has got an extension here where you can attach things like maybe the camera, for Esp32. So it's based on Esp32 S2. So it's an Esp32 S2 drone, that you can build. You can program it. As you can see, there's a pin there, and it comes with an app. You can control it through an app, so as you can see, we have got limited stock for these drones. Then we also have this for those building water quality projects. This is the pH sensor. You can measure the pH of water. Then we also have this turbidity sensors. These turbidity sensors, you can use them to measure also the water quality. We also have got water flow sensor, like you want to measure the flow of water. And we also have this nice one. This one, it's a weight sensor, so you can measure weight. Those who are doing projects for measuring weight. So for example, this one can go up to 5 kg. We have got 5 kg, 1 kg, and 10 kg. So guys, if you're interested in these sensors, kindly contact me through the numbers, or contact us through the numbers that have been shared. Thanks very much for watching this video.